Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I talk about making money online with different ways and mainly affiliate marketing. If you're interested in making money online, today I am showing you how you can make money on Fiverr using two free bots, okay? These bots is going to do all the work for you. You don't have to do nothing but make sure that you post it on Fiverr, okay? So if you're interested in learning how to make $90 a day, okay? $90 a day, make sure you stay to the end so you will not miss a thing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because we are here to make money online. All right, now, see you in the video. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so we are on articlegenerator.org, okay? So make sure you put that .org so you can get to the right site. So what this does is it's basically an SEO blog post article generator. Like, you have to put in your key target audience or your niche. You have to put in what you want your article to be about. So whatever your niche is, it doesn't freaking matter, because this article generator right here, it got you. It could be health, spirituality, relationships, make money online. All these, we got you, okay? So just for this example, we're just going to go to lose weight, okay? Because lose weight is a evergreen niche, all right? It's already up here, so let's get to it. So all you have to do is make sure you put in your keyword. If you do not put in your keyword, you will not get a freaking article. So you got search mode public, okay? So it's going through the whole freaking globe. It's going through the whole internet to look for things revolving this keyword right here, weight loss. All right, what language? English. All right, rewrite article content. No, you don't need to, because I have something else. And how many articles? You can go, right here it says 3, but you can go all the way up to 10, okay? All the way up to 10 different articles. I'm just going to start off at 3. So all you gotta do is create the article now. Press the button, boom. Press the button, okay? If you are interested in making money online, you have to take action. This is super duper easy. Everybody who is going to take action is going to make money online. Look at this article. This article is mad big. All right, so all you have to do is copy and paste the article, okay? Copy and paste this article. Okay, this whole entire article. I'm not going to do the whole thing on here because copy and paste is like self-explanatory. So all we're going to do is copy and paste. I'm going to copy and paste just a little bit for you. I'm just going to copy and paste this much. And then we're going to head over to this other website, this other free bot, okay? These are free AI, okay? Artificial intelligence. These bots is going to help you do all the work. All the work. So right here, this is quillbot.com. All right? So what Quillbot does, it rewords everything. Like, it will take your words and like paraphrase it, okay? All you have to do is put in your information. We're going to paste the text right here, excuse me. Okay, so as you can see, all the text that I just recently literally copied and pasted is right here. And we're going to go to Paraphrase. All you're going to do is press a few buttons, copy and paste. Copy and paste, press a few buttons, because everybody's going to go on article generator and they're going to go, they might not even freaking do this, honestly. They just might just go to article generator and just post information. No, you shouldn't do that. You should use something else to help you rewrite that, okay? You don't want to take the whole thing. And you can paraphrase again if you want to make sure. So this is, look at this. This is not the typical weight loss story. This is not your average weight loss tale. What fairy tale do you not know? Like, these AIs is really here to help us if you use them correctly, okay? If you are interested in making money online the easy way with affiliate marketing, make sure you check out my description down below, in which I will be giving out a free training, and I will be like exposing everything what it takes, well, what it comes down to affiliate marketing and what it takes to grow your business. I also have a free affiliate marketing guide. You should feel free to pick it up. It's like your beginner's friendly affiliate marketing guide, okay? Anybody who's interested in making money online with affiliate marketing, you should totally pick that up, even if you have some experience, okay? So with this bot right here, you're going to use this as your tool, okay? We're going to post these two bots capability. We're going to post their services on Fiverr. Okay, you can post this on Fiverr. You can post this on Upwork, okay? And there's many more places in which you can, entrepreneur or freelancers can post their services. So it's just not Fiverr. You can do this. Fiverr is just an example in this video, okay? Go and look up blog posts, okay? Go to Fiverr.com and look up blog posts, search it in the search engine. You will find people and services, all right, that's already doing it. I want you to go to the most experienced, the person that look like they know what they're doing. I want you to go to their page and copy and paste and model. You can actually use those two bots to reword the services. You can, look at this. I will write a high quality blog post, okay? High quality blog post. Most people are going for, I would write a SEO blog post, a search engine one, search engine optimizations. Okay, so that one will be even better if you put that in your title, okay? Because you do that. These bots do that for you. All right, so like I said, come to their pages and model. Like I said, you could use the bot. You could copy and paste all this information, 5-day delivery. Look, this is not even going to take us 5 days. This will not take you 5 days. You can write in 3 days. In 3 days, you can raise the price to 85, okay? So basic can start at 85, standard can start at 95, and then premium can go to 120, honestly, if you want to. And look how many words. You can add more words that have more value in your offers. All right, now, if you apply this, you can make up to $100 a day if used correctly, okay? Like I said, go down and model. Use those bots to model. She is explaining about her gig, okay? So people know what they're getting themselves into. All right, and then she has reviews, and then she has a place in which you contact. So make sure you have a separate email, not your personal email. Have a separate email in which people can contact you about your offer. And all you have to do to let people know that you are writing high quality blog posts for any niche in the freaking world, okay, is use social media. Social media is your traffic, free traffic, organic sources. Do not sleep on social media. Social media is super duper powerful, especially TikTok. In TikTok videos, you don't even have to show your face. You could just point at a screen or just point at a wall and write content. All you have to do, okay? So guys, if you're interested in making money online the way I do, make sure you check out my description, which I'll be giving you a free course, a free guide to help grow your business to success. And don't forget, you can also contact me, schedule an appointment with my free strategy calls to help you start your business. All right now, so I'll see you in another video.